My name is Sasha. Older like 22 age. Yeah. Just working in Ukraine, in the Kharkiv. This is my place. But I'm born in Odessa, and I come into the Kharkiv. This is my favorite place. You know. I love this guy. He all the time took the position and grabbed everything what he need to do. He's a very cool guy. I love him, and all the time when I trying to go to him for a visit, I feel the smile on my face all the time. He make very tasty like chickens and other stuff like Italian kitchen or maybe kitchen from the Venezuela. All the time make something new in the kitchen, of course, because I love really food. Because he love me, I love him, and in any trouble, I know this boy can help me in any situation, and he's thinking the same to me, because we got a lot of adventures with him, a lot of fights, a lot of party stuff, and he also protect my back and do something same for him. Oh, not all know about him. If you look at John Black and the first time, you thinking about, oh, what is a cute guy, but if he makes some stuff with a little bit beer or something and other stuff, he's starting to very funny guy. He's like, you know, his roof going out down and starting to a lot of crazy stuff. He's a really cool guy. I love this. My superpower is maybe finding cool friends and finding good people, because I'm all the time had use my mouse for the all stuff in my job, in my life. All the time my mouse help me, but it's funny sound. Really, I can complete any problem by my words. This is my little power, I think. Maybe I make some more for the older people. I mean, good social pockets, good medicine maybe in this side, because probably in this country all good, but need a little bit more steps to future, a little bit more, and of course legalization of marijuana, of course. Truly relationships, because if you can trust another man, yeah, it's very important, because you get a family, you get a wife or a girlfriend, doesn't matter. You need to have not too much friends, but 3 too. It's for you. What you need to do, you just find it more or low, yeah, or not much friends. But probably you need to understand this friend can help you in any situation and can say bad words for you if you do some crazy stuff. It's very important, because good friend can say true. It's very important. Very important. I grew up in the streets, like against and family is a very cool protecting thing for you. So when you come in your home, you can feel free, But I don't know how I can say this, but I feel more free with my friends, because this is my real family. We just meeting maybe every day, really every day. We just living all in the one district. This is one reason why we look at that all day. Like we just somebody go out from the street, you need to took your phone and just phone your friend like, I'm inside. You go outside too? Yes, it's like this, all the time. Yeah, sure. We got a lot of girls who just simple friendship. We had one girl from the band, but she staying all the time with us, make all crazy stuff with us too. If she had a problem, we just help him, like this. He without any, you girl, you didn't do this, We just make like this. You want to drink beer? Okay, let's go with us, like this,